Hey bread gang, I hope everyone's doing good and keeping safe. In today's video I want to chat to you guys about Solana. So in particular I want to have a look at the price action, so looking at where the price currently is, where I believe it's going to go to, because it's definitely gearing up for another big bullish run up. And also I'm going to give you guys an update on crypto.com, so ticker symbol for that is CRO. If you're new and this is the kind of content you guys like to see, make sure you subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. For all those who have recently subscribed, a big thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. With that being said, let's get this bread. So we'll start off with Solana. So Solana has been making some really good moves. First made a huge rally all the way up from basically $28 all the way up to $210. And since then the price has really been struggling to make new highs as the bullish momentum is coming to an end and the bears are stepping in, and you can see indications of that with the bears bringing the price down below the 10p moving average, created a resistance around $195, and since then the bulls have just been trying to break above that resistance and stay above it, and they managed to do this basically on the 24th of October. The bulls broke above that resistance using the 10p moving average as effectively a support to keep that momentum going even further up. Since the price broke above the $192 resistance, this was now seen as a support. Price stayed above the 10p moving average, so this was really good indication that the bullish momentum was going strong and staying strong. But the price recently came below the 10p moving average, so this showed that there was a shift in momentum from the bullish side to the bearish side, which saw the price actually fall down to test the $192 support. And since then the bears have been trying to break that support, re-establishing it as a resistance. Or the bulls, they're not giving up because they're trying to get this price back above that 10p moving average to basically re-establish the dominance within the market and keep this price going even further up. But right now only time can tell, because the price is sandwiched between the 10p moving average and the $192 support. So we'll wait to see which way the price goes, whether it breaks above the 10 moving average or it breaks below the $192 support. It'll be very interesting to see who wins this fight. But I believe the price is more likely to break above the 10p moving average. We'll have a look at the MACD, and looking at the histogram of the MACD, basically showing where the momentum shift could potentially be. And right now it's bearish as there's a dead cross. Bearish momentum is actually coming to an end roughly around that support zone. So that support, I believe, it's a good support right now, because every time the price has come down to this level, it's effectively bounced back up. There's a lot of support at this level, which could see the price get above the 10 moving average and effectively test the previous all-time high, of roughly around $258. So we'll wait to see what happens, but if the price gets above that 10 moving average, then it's definitely on its way. So now for the update on crypto.com. So from the previous video I said that the bullish momentum was possibly coming to an end because we were starting to see some bearish rejection within the market, and the bearish rejection was in the form of these wicks. As you can see, every time the price came up, even though the session closed bullish, but you can see there was a lot of bearish rejection, and basically it happened for a couple of sessions. The next day after that video, we saw that bearish close, which was on the 24th of November, and this bearish close saw the price come down to test the 10p moving average, which is also what I said in my video. And what was interesting is that looking from the Fibonacci retracement, I said that the price was likely to head down to one of these levels between the 38 and the 61, but the sweet spot being the 50%. That's exactly what happened, because the price came down to test that 50% line, which was the sweet spot, and the sweet spot was roughly around 65 cents. So what now, and where do we go from here? So if we look closely, the price is actually broken below that 10 moving average, so there's possibly going to be that momentum shift from the bullish side to the bearish side. So it's very possible that we might start seeing the price actually fall a couple of sessions. So bringing the Fib 2 back up, it looks like the price is going to hover between the 38 and the 61 as the demand picks up, and let's say the price pretty much takes off from here. I can see the price heading up to test the resistance around 90 cents or the peak around $1. So guys, if you're invested in either Solana or crypto.com, these are potentially really good long-term holds, because Solana has already made a very good run up from pretty much in a year. It went from $40 all the way up to where it's currently sitting at like $200. So crypto.com could possibly make the same run up. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my thoughts and opinions. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. Guys, comment below, let me know your thoughts on crypto.com and also Solana. Do you think they're very good projects? Are the long-term holds for you? Let me know in the comments below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let me know this is the kind of content you guys like to see, and I'll continue bringing out updates like this. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.